Hey there, it's Lenny McGill with the GlockStore Performance and Custom Shop here in the beautiful Nashville studios. And it's time for our sweepstakes winner of one of these in our latest contest, which was basically any sticker that you purchased will enter you into the contest. And we've had over 500 orders for our entry, should I say, with our stickers. And so we always are making cool new stickers. I know a lot of people like the stickers. Our marketing team is always working to create something new and exciting. We've got some great ones coming up for Halloween and for Thanksgiving and for Christmas. So hang in there. The more giveaways are coming. But today we're going to announce the giveaway of our latest entry. And so we got them all entered here into this randomized generator, and I'm going to push the button and we're going to find ourselves a winner. And here it goes. It's spinning, and the survey says 223-7110. That's the sales order number. SO-223-7110. You are the winner of one of these. Thank you very much for entering, and thank you all for being part of our sweepstakes contest. We will contact that person and get all the paperwork necessary to ship them one of these. And thanks for watching, and thanks for being part of the GlockStore team, and we hope to see you here next time. Hey there, it's Lenny McGill with the GlockStore Performance and Custom Shop right here in the amazing Nashville studios today, and I've got something to show you that, well, it's simple but amazingly effective, and it's called the OEM Glock Trigger Improved. All right, little thing we're doing for our triggers. We've been doing it for years and years and years, and finally, it was like, okay, hey, we should probably offer this to our customers as, kind of as a package. Okay, so here's what we do: we take a Glock factory trigger bar and polish the heck out of it so it's smooth and shiny. Okay, factory bars typically look like this. Boom, and we polish them to look like that. And I think you can see the difference. Here's the polished one, here's the dull one. All right. Now, what's really important is that the polish not only makes it look shiny, but it also smooths out the surface. And the surface is what travels along some of the parts of the gun, and then it intersects the connector. And we also polish the connector. So here's the connector. Okay, boom. And here's the unpolished connector, and you can kind of see the difference as well. All right. Now, this is not just your regular connector. This is actually a minus connector. But I want to show you the polished and the difference. Here's the original, in a sense, okay? Here's the polished. You can see the difference. And again, it's not just that it's shiny. It's that it reduces some of the friction. So when the connector sits in the gun, it basically sits here, kind of, okay, like this, okay, at an angle, right? These two pieces intersect like so. Boom, 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 boom. So now, what's interesting is that I can actually feel a significant difference in my hand from the pieces, gliding together, the smoothness of it versus the factory pieces. I mean, it does work, so it's pretty simple, okay? I mean, it's a simple polish job. But there's something else that we do that really makes this, kind of a spectacular little product that's going to improve not only your shooting, but also make it feel better, because many people complain about the Glock trigger itself. The trigger shoe, the plastic shoe, and the safety really eat on your finger. A lot of people experience this, and so as you shoot, and if you shoot a lot, your finger gets kind of worn down a little bit by that safety. What we've done is we've actually taken the safety down a little bit, make it smaller, so that as you depress the safety, it goes all the way flush with the actual shoe on either side. So there's not a little bump sitting up there that actually starts to irritate your finger as you shoot. It actually depresses all the way down. So see if I can demonstrate that for you. This is a factory trigger, okay? And if I push on the back of the safety, the catch there, you'll see that once it's all the way depressed, it basically sticks out a little bit. It's not a lot, okay? It's a real subtle little difference. But as you shoot the improved option, it buries itself into the shoe. So as you're depressing and you get all the way back, it actually doesn't have that little ridge that sticks up with the standard shoe. Because of that, as you manipulate the trigger and your finger is on that safety, it just feels better. And it doesn't irritate your finger like the non-improved option does. It's a subtle change. It's nothing huge, but it does not interfere with the safety of the gun at all, because it's not interfering with the little catch on the back. It's still a safe action trigger. It's just improved a bit so that it doesn't irritate your finger so much. And we've had a lot of people over the years say, hey, the biggest problem I have with the Glock trigger, besides the fact that it's spongy and it doesn't, it's kind of, almost 5.5 pounds and takes a lot of effort to do it, and the over travel and all that other stuff, is the fact that that safety eats up my hand. But this is a good option for you if you want to use a factory trigger and you're going to shoot a lot and you're really concerned about how that feels on your finger. This is a good option for you because like I said, we shave it down just enough so that it buries itself inside the two legs of the trigger shoe itself. And that is what prevents the irritation on your finger. And then, of course, like I said, the polished parts are smoother and better. And not only does the trigger itself intersect with the connector, but you'll see that the bar also travels along the side of the plastic frame. So the smoother the bar is, the less friction. The less friction, the better the trigger. And it's just that simple. So it's a simple product. It's something that we feel, is, a lot of people ask for it because we've been doing it on a lot of our custom guns. And so now we're going to make it so that you can actually just install this yourself at home. Simple, same installation that we've done in the past. It's the same exact deal. But the bottom line is it's a smoother and it's a better trigger experience for your finger, because I know a lot of people have had that problem. I'm Lenny McGill. This, of course, is the GlockStore Performance and Custom Shop right here in Nashville, Tennessee. Come down and see us. It's an amazing store and the most awesome shooting ranges in the country. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.